Good morning, students. I am your computer teacher. In the last video, I covered Unit 1 and Unit 2. In this video, I will be covering Unit 3, Information and Communication Technology Skills. Now, the first topic is Introduction to ICT. Students, ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology. ICT includes computers, the internet, broadcasting technology, that you can say radio and television, and telephony. It allowed people to communicate in real time, like instant messaging, video conferencing, etc. Students, we use technology every day at home. The various ICT tools that are used include computers we use at work, smartphones through which we talk, internet for getting information, communicating with others through emails, watching movies and TV shows, etc. ICT skills help us to communicate, run our business, and stay connected with our family and friends. The basic ICT skills that you need are knowing how to operate computers, knowing how to browse the internet for collecting, storing, and discriminating information. Now, the next part, that is application of ICT. In this you can see there are many points. One by one I will deal. First one, ICT at workplace. At workplace we use different computer software and applications to complete tasks like making documents, calculations, tables, drafts, etc. We can also use applications to do everyday work like buying things, booking train or bus tickets, internet banking, and making online payments. Modern ICT employs a variety of media forms which includes text, graphics, animation, audio and video, etc. Next, ICT at home. Smartphones with an internet connections are now being used to stay connected with the family and friends on a regular basis through social media networks, that you can say Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. We use computers and mobile phones for talking to each other, sending and receiving informations, watching videos and news, listening to music, and playing games. Now, the third one, ICT at office. It is used in office to send important messages. Next, ICT at banks. ICT at banks. It is used to store information about customers, to take out money from an ATM, and to deposit and withdraw money from the account. Next, ICT at education. It is necessary for the children to gain valuable knowledge about the software that operates these devices and applications that run on them, and also the systems that are built with them. They are used to teach in classrooms, to make timetables, to keep fee records of students, to make test papers and report cards. You can watch videos on any subjects which help you to understand and remember the concept easily. It is used for e-learning also. which is learning utilizing electronic technology to access educational curriculum outside of a traditional classroom. Next, ICT at healthcare and hospitals. It is also used in scanning and diagnosing different diseases. ECG, ultrasounds, and CT scans, etc., are also done by computerized machines. They are used extensively in performing lab tests and prepare reports. Next, ICT at engineering and designing. Students, computers are widely used for engineering purpose. One of the major area is CAD, that we say computer aided design, that provides designing and modification of images. We can design bridges, houses and flyovers, etc. They are also used to design cars, aeroplanes and other machines. Next, ICT at government. It is used for exchange of information, communication, transactions and many other services between government and the citizens. It helps in maintaining records and analyzing the data of all citizens in the country. Next, ICT at booking tickets and hotels. Computers are used to book tickets for movies, flights, train, etc. We can book hotels also. Now students, the next topic is ICT tools. Smartphones, tablets, TV and radio, newspaper, emails, smartphones. You can see it. The first one is smartphones. These are the cellular phones that functions both as a phone and as a small PC, you can say. They are the easiest and simplest way of communication. They are commonly used to access the internet, to get any information on, check emails, play games and listen to music. You can even create documents, make presentations, etc. on smartphones. Some of the popular operating system for smartphones are Android operating system, Apple iOS, Windows Mobile, etc. Now the second part is the tablet. For some activities such as reading a book for a long time, the screen of a mobile may be too small. For such activity, we go for tablet. It is bigger than a smartphone and can perform all the functions that one can perform on a computer or a smartphone. Now the third one, TV and radio. Radio is used to broadcast audio while TV is used to broadcast audio visual information to many people. You can hear news, songs, stories, cricket commentary, etc. on radio, while TV is used for watching movies, news, weather forecast, songs, cartoons and educational lectures. Next one is newspaper. Newspaper is another most important ICT tool. It plays a great role in keeping us up to date about all over the world. It is a cheap source of information and many of us read them on a regular basis. Even students, we can develop our general knowledge as well as language and vocabulary. Next one is email. Email is the most common way of communication nowadays. Email is the short word of electronic mail. We create text and send them over a network of computers. The sender first types the message on a computer screen and then sends to the receiver. The respective message is dropped in the receiver's mailbox, and receiver can get and the receiver can read the message. You have some advantages of email, like emails are easy to use, emails are cheap to use, emails do not use paper, emails give you a facility of attachment so that you can attach anything. Anything means picture, audio, video, documents, even the PDF file, etc. Now, the next one is smartboard. Smartboard is also known as interactive whiteboard. It is a large touch control screen that works like a projector to provide users with a larger version